All right. What's going on, people? This is Back to IT. And we are back to IT. No, I'm just kidding. But today we're going to talk about a couple things today. We're going to talk about 5 things. We're going to talk about why I decided to learn Python. But you know the drill. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This channel is mainly about, older people who are trying to get back into IT, but we don't discriminate. If you're young, you're welcome too. Everybody's welcome, but that was my purpose I want to show people what it's like trying to get back into the field of IT. Also people who are trying to change careers and decided that they want to give it a shot and get into IT. Some people are really nervous about it and they're like, I don't know. And they're probably binge watching YouTube videos about, being 40 over and getting back into programming. Should I do it or should I not? While you're doing all of that, you probably could have learned a whole programming language. No. So this channel is dedicated to that, but everybody can, take part and be a part of this, okay? So without further ado, let's get to number 1. I'll write these down because I cannot remember them. Number 1 was I always wanted to learn Python. I always wanted to learn a programming language, not Python, because I wasn't even familiar with what Python was. So when I was in college, a long time ago, when I was in college, I had this programming class called COBOL programming class. And it was my only programming class that I had in my curriculum. And that class was so difficult that I never wanted to take a programming language ever again. And I actually stayed away from it. I would tell people, from just that class, I would tell people, I don't like programming. And I had to really think back to that time, because when I think about it, I realized that class was horrible because of the